Okay, so we have a question here where we have this boy here with a 20p, a 2p and a 1p, and this girl here who has 4 coins that we don't know the values of. Okay, so we need to use what we've got here to help us solve this. So we need to think, right, we can keep the 1p and the 2p the same. Now we can look at the 20p. What 2 coins can we use to make 20p? Can't use the coins, remember, can't use the £2 and £1 or 50. Can't use the 20 because we would have nothing as this coin. For the 5p, 5 at 5 makes 10, so we can't do that, so it has to be 10, and we know that 10 plus 10 is 20. So this tortoise here, he's got 4 coins as well. But we have to make it different to this. So remember, we need to look at this here. This was the original number, the amount of coins and the value of the coins. Can't split the 1p, so the 1p would have to be the same. What about if we split the 2p coin? Well, if we did that, then we would have 20. Split the 2p's into 1p's. So we've got the 1p there. Split the 2 into 2 1s, so then we've got the answer there. So can you see how we've made the same amount? We've made it 3 different ways.